my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much Unice for sponsoring this video. As you guys can see, they sent me this beautiful 7x5 lace frontal wig, and as you guys can see, I'm gonna put the unboxing right here. So this wig literally came pre-plucked, pre-baby hairs. It was like ready. When I tell y'all, this was probably one of the best wigs that I have received. This is definitely one of the best wigs that I have received. So as you can see, when I unboxed the wig, it already had baby hairs, which I'm so happy I didn't have to do no baby hairs. It was pre-plucked. It came with some goodies, some nails and stuff. And as you guys can see, the wig was in like these beautiful curls, which I could have kept it in, but I decided to straighten the hair just because I just like straight hair, and it just looks so beautiful and silky. Guys, look, get into this hair. I believe this is a 26 inch, and look how long it is. I'm 5'4", and this wig is like, look how long it's coming on me. This wig is really, really long. I love these highlights. This is probably, let me tell you guys the exact color highlights this is. Hold on, let me just get the hair deets. Okay, so they call these highlights black blonde. So it is so beautiful. Like, I would definitely suggest this wig because let me tell you guys something. I did not glue anything, guys. When I tell y'all, hold on, I don't want to mess up this wig, but let me show y'all. Let me show y'all a little bit. Look, guys, it's not glued down. Can you guys see? Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. Look, y'all. All I did was literally spray a little bit of olive oil. It's this olive oil. I'll link it right here. It's this olive oil holding spray. I literally put a teensy bit on the edges, and that's it. I can literally take this wig off when I'm sleeved, and it is so easy. So this is 150 density, but every time I get wigs from Unice, it feels so much more thicker than 150 density. Like this wig, like look, like I wish you guys can feel it. It does not feel thin or anything. And look at those ends, guys. And do you just see the natural shine on this hair? I love this hair. So if you guys are interested, all of the information of this hair will be in the description below. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial or anything like that on any of the wigs that I get in the future. If you want any tutorials, any how to put it on or something like that, let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.